Hey there, everyone! Welcome to FoXSecurity with Najee. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Linux with one of its most powerful tools, the man command. It's like having a superhero manual right inside your terminal. Let's jump right in by typing man into the terminal. There it is, detailed info from the man commands to a synopsis, description, and a ton of useful options. It is basically the manual for commands. But wait, let's have even more fun and check out the password command. Here you'll find everything you need to know about changing passwords in Linux. Keep your system secure and customize how your passwords work. If this video brightened your day and you learned something cool, smash that thumbs up and hit subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks in Linux and cybersecurity. See you next time, and stay secure out there.